Hello guys, it's Asubos here, and today we will gonna talk about the fear of judgment, the most common problem you had in your life. It can be anywhere, like in the college where I am right now, or can be any public place, or in the anywhere in the world you can go. And when you go and talk and go and be social, it's not the thing. You're being judged by a lot of people. Is it real? Are you being really judged by a lot of people, or it's an illusion for you? So let me break it down for you. It's not the illusion, it's the illusion in yourself because you are judging by yourself, not by the people. You will say, bro, people are saying me this, blah, 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 X, Y, Z, you are nerd or you are something. They are just saying it for the second when you are in that place. What about all the time? If they are thinking about you, they will never think about me like I'm with the square glasses or triangle face. They will never think about me because that's the situation right now. Whoever watching me right now, they will just think for a moment, okay, that guy's doing something crazy, but who gives a fuck? They have their own problems, they have their own thoughts, they're busy in their life. Why they will think about me? They don't give a fuck. So when they will go to sleep, go to bed, they will not think about me. When they will in the warm blankets, they will not think, okay, that guy's square glass is being prince or something, doing something. Prince, they don't think about me. I'm right now downstairs. So yeah, sorry for the disturbance. I was going down to the stairs. And the thing is, it's only about you, how you will see the world and how you judge yourself. People don't give a fuck about it. You will do the thing, people will say something A, B, C, D or Z. But at the end of the day, you are the only one who can decide your thing. So go out, take out the camera, say the thing you need to say. And if someone will come, there's a lot of judgmental people I know. Like out of 19, out of 100, like you will find one people who is more judgmental and who will say you all this negative about you. What you can do for them, if someone is saying negative about you, say positive about it. That's the reverse psychology you can apply. And if you will do that, you will say something amazing. And they will never ever judge you. I mean, it's having the common. Like if you are getting supporters, you will get the haters too. And it's the nature. It's the nature, basic nature. So don't be fear all this. If you are thinking of making content, and most people don't have the balls to think about it, but you got the balls, and just you have to go out and do the content you need to do. And if you will do, you will gotta make something cringe, and out of this cringe, you will make a win. So I will say, just take out the camera, go outside, do the video you need to do, then you will see and got something amazing. And see you in the next video. Tada, bye bye, see ya, peace out.